Hello money makers, welcome to Make Money, where we talk about all things making money. Today is part 2 of apps that's going to be making us money throughout 2021, and our first app that we're going to talk about is Book Scouter. You see this nice stack of books that we got here that I have laying around the house. We're going to show you how we make money off these books. So go ahead to your app store, get the Book Scouter app. Have mine right here. We're going to load it up right here. And let's just get started. This is one of the simplest, easiest ways to make money, guys, that you're going to have. You see right here where it says scan barcode. Well, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to scan the barcode on this book right here. This is one of our chess books that we're going to get rid of because we know how to play chess by now. You see right here, the good people at Books Runners were willing to pay us $3.85 just to get rid of that book. Just that simple, guys. Cycling Anatomy, we'll scan that. This book, nobody's giving us any money for this book. Hey, you don't get money for all the books, I'm not gonna lie. But if you got books laying around the house that you need to get rid of, like this pharmacy tech book, an old textbook that we have, just take a scan of it. If you've had it for a while and you don't need it, you might as well get it out your house and bring money inside the house. This book is going to give us $31.09. We don't even need the book anymore. It's an old textbook. We've already accomplished the goal. How do you get the money? Well, you see right there, all of these retailers will pay us. Textbook Rush, in this case, is willing to pay us the most money. So we just hit the sell button. You hit the sell button, it takes us right to the website, and you finish up the information right there and sell them the book. Just that simple, guys. It's the easiest money you're going to make. Book Scouter is the app for 2021. Get those old dusty books out your house. Bring that brand new money inside your house. The next app we're going to talk about, money makers, is Dosh. D-O-S-H. Some of you money makers may be very familiar with Dosh already. If you are, leave a note in the comments. Tell them how you've been making money already. But for those of us who are not familiar with it or who have not used it already, there's a referral code right here in the descriptions. Make sure you use the referral code. It helps our channel. It helps you as well. And Dosh is very similar to the Flues app that we had in the first video for 2021 apps. It's a cashback app, but Dosh is a little simpler to use in that all you have to do with the Dosh app is connect your credit card to the app, and anywhere you scan that credit card locally and sometimes online, you get paid for it. There's no extra work involved. You don't really have to come back to the app for anything, because once you scan it at wherever you're shopping, well, you get the money right back on the app. You don't have to come back to the app to get that money to your bank account. It's really just that simple. We're going to take a look at the Dosh app real quick. Just see some of the nice places that you can use it at. You'll see right there's KFC, there's Walmart, Office Depot, BP, and Amoco. For all the money makers who've been making money off the Get Upside app that we had in the other video, leave a comment to let everyone know how much money you've been making off Get Upside just so far in this little bit of time. And here you are. If you connect that same credit card to Dosh, well, you're going to get paid 6 cents a gallon from Dosh on the Dosh app, plus you're going to get money on the Get Upside app. So more money. That's what we're all about here on Make Money. Dosh is a nice arsenal to add into your money making portfolio. Once again, money makers, we are getting paid for very little effort. I hope you're enjoying the content. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell notification. That's going to keep you updated on all the new videos that's coming out. That's going to keep the money rolling into your bank account. Again, money makers, let us know in the comments that you're enjoying this content. Let us know if there's something specific that you want to talk about. And what'd you say? Huh? Say what? Giveaway? In the very next video, guys, we're going to discuss a giveaway. We're doing very well here at Make Money. We're going to share the wealth with you. Make sure you stay updated on the new content. Guys, we'll see you soon.